Okay, here's the new engine. Here's the old engine. I'd sees a little corroded, eh? We got some issues, but we got some work to do. We got the people for it. Let's give her.
Yanker.
Holiday weekend, they're making us work. Brutal.
The Broham law's a slave driver.
Where to start? Where to start? Okay, let's do it.
Peace.
Yeah, baby. She's coming. It's rained 3 times so far.
Yeah.
We got some of the parts starting to come off here. This is going to be tricky. She doesn't want to move. Fun, fun. Okay, we have movement. There's maybe one wire in there hold the whole thing together. She's not going to be there long because we do have a hacksaw. Okay, she's airborne. So we went through a few gyrations of rigging. Right now, he's holding the whole thing. We kind of rigged something up here off the wishbone and up around there and over here. We got a safety coming down from the main halyard, and we tightened up the uppity at the back, and it's looking pretty cool. So we're gonna go have a beer and finish this off. See ya. Okay, we got the motor into the cockpit, and it went smoother than we thought, actually. So looks good. We're just going to, well, we did a quick calculation on how much rope we had left over, and it's not gonna make it to the ground. So we gotta re-rig a couple different lines, and we should have that baby down in no time at all.
Tail shaft.
All right, sounds good. So far, so good. She's all downhill from here, eh? Okay, we got the motor out. And we got some cleanup to do. We're even throwing around the idea of putting a little epoxy down in there, clean her up. But anyway, it worked really well. Cool. A little bit of trouble getting the transmission off, so we're gonna use some gravity.
All right, we're in here.
Okay, let's beat it.